Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC. We spent the weekend there, and normally when we go to these shows we take a look at the motorhomes. However, this time we decided to take a look at the camper vans. We wanted to find out why they are so popular and what was appealing about them. I know my way around a classic VW Type 2, you know, the bay windows or the split screen campers. And I just wanted to find out what the modern equivalent was like and find out why these campers are so popular. In this video we're going to take a look at Itineo motorhomes. This is the Itineo FC650 Nomad at £57,195.
Oh wow, this is a completely different layout than any other. So here's the sink and the the kitchen area really. No draining board, I've noticed. 3 hobs. Loads of space up there, look. Bush.
I was thinking this was going to go into another bit, but...
Some nice room up here. And this is the fridge, freezer and oven. Oven and grill. Oh, wow, it goes back some distance.
Yeah, that's small.
I'll lose something in there, I think.
Got a bedroom there.
So did I. I walked up here thinking I'll go further, but it stops. This is a
Some sort of leatherette
there's more to the
material.
back bit, really.
And a table and side chairs. And there's your pull down bed. I think it's quite roomy. Oh, there's a step there though. Oh, the step into the bathroom. Wow. This is the entire bathroom. The mirrors make it look bigger, but that is huge. So what's in here? Oh, there's a shower. That's not bad, is it? Oops. Whoa. Some space in there. It's a wardrobe. And a very deep drawers, I suppose you could say. Now, if you I guess you could lean out and pick something out of there. But yeah, oh, that's a small basin. It could have been a bit bigger, really, couldn't it? Yeah, this is not bad actually. I quite like this.
Must be like me.
What about up here?
A little
Push?
boy.
No, don't push.
That little boy.
I'll buy one the same as yours if you want.
It's a completely different layout than anything else. What's under here? Oh wow, look at that. More drawers. More storage space. Wine rack down there. And then we have this. Oh, obviously for the television.
Where is this heading?
Right, let's take a look outside. Well, we've got this very large tool cupboard. 3 entrances. You definitely get a couple of bikes in there. But does it need so much headspace? Oh, and back here as well. Kind of. I'm just thinking, is that wasted? Maybe not. You can have tool things in there. Fishing rods, poles. Right round the other side. Oh. Right, we can't see around the other side. It's all squashed up with another motorhome. But that is an Itineo FC650 at 57,655.
This is the Itineo SB740 Traveller at £64,175.
Oh, okay, so it's a similar layout than other motorhomes here. We have the fridge, freezer and the oven. And then on the opposite side we have the kitchen area with the 3 gas hob and the sink Storage space down here and here. Leather interior lounge area, dining area. The drop down bed is just up there. And we have this storage space as well. This is the same as the last motorhome, I believe. Nice lighting, don't you think? That's quite cool. The nice drawers to open, nice cupboards to open. Nice and smooth. Plenty of room for cutlery. Is that a charging point? Oh, it's a socket. Now here we have one of those bathrooms this side. And the squeaky door and the toilet and basin this side. What's up here? Some storage space for bottles and stuff. And then basically you shut the door and then you've got a long bathroom. Now in here, not only do you have the pull down bed, but you have two bunk beds and a step ladder to get up. How much room do we have in this wardrobe? Quite nice. Place for your shoes down the bottom there. Hanging clothes and some more space there. Another wardrobe. Wow, two wardrobes, one motorhome. This one's bigger. And yeah, same sort of size but wider. And then we have what looks like a seat there and a seat there. That can't be right. Storage space underneath there. Maybe you could extend it. Oh, it's a table. So it's almost like a kind of a mini lounge, maybe. I don't know. Get rid of the ladder, put that up here. One seat there, and then you've got another dining area.
Well, that's alright. Wondering where you were, my love. Just disappeared, isn't it?
So looking back,
So that's the one with the bunk beds, is it?
yeah, not for us, but you can imagine.
Yes.
There's that step though.
That's quite.
Yes, lots of room. It's all compact. And out the back here we have a garage. Oh, okay. So that's the bed again, but down here we have the garage. In fact, we could probably get rid of the bed and just have the garage. I don't know if that's the idea.
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland, so if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before we go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.